Number 13, Brian saves 2/5 of the $215 he earns each week from his job. If Brian continues to save at this rate, how much money in dollars will Brian save in 9 weeks? You can do this in 2 parts, or you can do it all at once. Both will get you the same answer. So what you can do is you can say, what is 2/5? Come on, why isn't my stylus working? Come on, there we go. What is 2/5 of $215? To get that, we need to multiply 215 times 2/5. And you can do this if you just like dealing with fractions. I know not many people do, but you can just do it right here, multiplying these together, and you can cancel out before you multiply. Say, 5 goes into both 5 and 215. It goes into 5 one time, and it goes into 215 43 times. So I multiply on top 2 times 43, that is 86. On the bottom, 1 times 1, so that's just 86. So $86 is what he saves in 1 week. We need to know how much he saves in 9 weeks. So we multiply 86 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Put down your 4, carry your 5. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 5 is 77. Random side note, this kind of stuff, when it's a 2-digit number times a single, I tend to do that in my head. And I do it so often like that just now when I was writing it out, I was like, wait, how do you write it out like this again? Because I always do like, okay, 9 times 80 would be 720, and then 9 times 6 is 54, and then I add those in my head, and I get 774. And I wrote 777. 774. Yeah, I don't know how other people that multiply things like that in their head do it, but that's how I do it. Years of tutoring, you have to be able to multiply things in your head quickly. It's just the way it works. So back to this problem here, we have 774, and yes, that is your answer. And when I said you could do all this all at once, like if you weren't wanting to write it out or you were wanting to just do it in your calculator, which is totally valid. You have a calculator, you want to use it, use it. You can just multiply it all at once. You can multiply 2/5, which if you want to use the decimal version of that, that is 0.4. And you can multiply that times 215 times 9 weeks. Enter all that into your calculator and you'll get the same thing again. You'll get 774 as your answer. One thing to be mindful of, if you're putting it in your calculator and you put 2/5 in, just make sure that your calculator is recognizing, like if you put 2 divided by 5 times 215 times 9, make sure your calculator is recognizing this in the right way. So it's 2 divided by 5 first, then times 215 times 9, and that's not doing 2 divided by 5 times 215 times 9. I mean, most calculators shouldn't. They should follow order of operations if you're going left to right. I just always like to mention that. Just know your calculator, know how it works so that it is giving you the right answer and you can trust that it's giving you the right answer. Because I've just seen calculators do weird things depending on how students choose to enter the numbers. And so the student trusts that the number being spit out by the calculator is the correct one. And the computer's just like, I don't know what you're telling me, but this is the number I got. It's just like not doing what you tell it to. You got to keep an eye on those calculators, man. They will mess with you. Anyway, 774, there is our answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.